Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at the ATEC 16GB DDR4 2933 MHz SODIMM, a memory upgrade designed to breathe new life into your laptop or all-in-one computer. If you've been experiencing sluggish performance, slow loading times, or just want to boost your system's overall responsiveness, this RAM module might be just what you need. This particular module is a 16GB stick operating at a speed of 2933 MHz. It adheres to the PC4-23400 standard, also known as PC4-2933Y. The CL21 latency indicates the delay in clock cycles, and it's a SODIMM, or small outline dual inline memory module, which is a standard form factor for laptops and compact computers. It features 260 pins for connectivity. One of the key features is its voltage. This ATEC module operates at 1.2 V, which is the JEDEC standard for DDR4 memory. This lower voltage not only helps to reduce power consumption, but also minimizes heat generation, contributing to a more stable and efficient system. The module is non-ECC, meaning it doesn't have error correction capabilities. For most everyday users and gamers, this isn't a concern. ECC memory is typically used in servers and workstations where data integrity is paramount. It is unbuffered, which is typical for consumer-grade memory. The ATEC module comes in either a 1RX8 or 2RX8 configuration, referring to single or dual rank. The rank of a memory module affects how the memory controller accesses the data. Both configurations will work, but dual rank can sometimes offer a slight performance advantage. Installation is designed to be straightforward. ATEC emphasizes that it's a quick and easy process that can be done at home without requiring any specialized expertise. Of course, it's always a good idea to consult your system's manual for specific instructions on how to properly seat the memory module and ensure it's installed in the correct channel for optimal performance. ATEC puts its memory modules through rigorous quality control testing. This is to ensure that each module delivers dependable and reliable performance. This testing aims to minimize the risk of encountering issues like system crashes or data corruption. Finally, ATEC backs this memory module with a limited lifetime warranty. They also have a tech team available to provide assistance both before and after your purchase. This level of support can be invaluable if you have any questions or run into any problems during the installation process.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.